The Ultra Bung Access funnel is a funnel that's designed to sit on top of either 55 or 30-gallon drums and then used to funnel liquids into those drums. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, why do you guys call that the Bung Access funnel? And I'm thinking, wow, that's a really good thought. And here's the answer. This little half moon cutout shape right here will give, when the funnel is installed or on top of the drum, this gives you access to the 3/4 inch bung. If this is used with our optional pop-up fill gauge, then you'll be able to visually see when your drum is almost full. That indicator shows when you have about 5 gallons left, and that way you know that it's almost time to change out your drum. This particular funnel that I have today has the optional hinged cover. It is also available with a snap-on cover. One of the really nice features of the Bung Access funnel is this surface. We designed it so that if you had a viscous material, paint, or maybe an oil filter, you can just set it on top of that surface and it'll drain passively. Another feature that the scalloped design of the inside of the funnel provides is this will diffuse when you're pouring into it. It will diffuse the liquids that you're pouring so that it doesn't splash back as easily. If you look at the bottom of the funnel, you'll see there are 2 sets of rings that are molded into it. This smaller ring right here is designed to fit on top of a 30-gallon drum. The bigger ring is designed for a 55-gallon drum. So the funnel will sit on top of there, and these rings will help to keep it secure and keep it from shifting around. Well, there you have it. That's the Ultra Bung Access funnel officially unboxed. Be on the lookout for more videos coming to you soon.